Namaste, my beloved friends. In one of my video, I have described few facts about Vipassana meditation. And after that, there are many comments from all over the world that I am against Vipassana or I am spreading misconception about Vipassana. The fact is that I am telling you very true and factful things which you can verify, and I am in favor of vipassana because vipassana is a technique which is very powerful and can take you to the samadhi. But problem is that people are misunderstanding my concept. I have nowhere I have described it that you shouldn't go to vipassana, but I am saying before going to vipassana, please do preparation. This is what I am saying. So today I will talk how you can prepare yourself before going to vipassana. If you go without preparation, it is of course kind of very harmful for you, because then you cannot get the real essence, the real benefit of vipassana. So before going to vipassana meditation, work on your three level. First is body, second is mind, and third is soul. But how can we work on that? The problem is that a lot of people who has commented on my those videos, they have commented negative and all that. So they should ask a question to themselves: if they were so much benefited with vipassana, was there any need to comment like that negative? But could vipassana make them in a space, could it take them to a place where they could just watch all this? Unfortunately, they could not watch it, and they have this thought system which is still going on after vipassana as well. And they have to comment because thoughts are always there. And what is the purpose of vipassana? Vipassana's main purpose is not to make your few habits go away, or vipassana's main purpose is not to make you calm. Vipassana's main purpose is to take you to the samadhi. But you are not in a place of samadhi. You are still looking attention from people. You still want to get this verification from me, from other people, that what you are saying is the only truth. If you would be benefited, there were no thoughts after vipassana. But problem is that because you were not prepared, you just got a very little benefit of vipassana. Unfortunately, you could get big benefit of vipassana, which is samadhi, which is satori. But problem is that because you were not prepared, and it worked on your just upper layer, and that also little bit, the mental level is still same. So logic is that if you prepare yourself, you can get the real essence of vipassana. You can go to the place of satori, you can go to the place of samadhi. But that happens only when you are ready. So we will start working on our three layers, which is body, mind, and soul, before you go to vipassana. And what does that mean? Okay, so if your body is not ready, if your body is not active, its pran, its oxygen level, it's everything is a science. Problem is that in India, this is a very problem, very big problem. In all over the world also, it's a very big problem. Most of people, they think that it is just sitting and observing and going into the place. The thing is that if your body is not ready for something, and in body that big explosion is being there, it's was there since many years, body is not ready, and you are trying to search to reach there, Your mind is not ready to conceive that. Your heart is not ready. How you will receive it? That is big problem, and that's why I always say you watch again those videos, you see those videos, what I am talking there, that what I am talking about preparation. I am not saying you don't go to Vipassana. Tell me where I have said this thing, that you don't go to Vipassana. What I am saying, prepare yourself, because if you can prepare yourself, you can get the real benefit of Vipassana. So if you see it, you will find me that I am the biggest supporter of Vipassana meditation in that sense. So prepare your body first. What is that preparation means? Body's preparation means that you have to prepare your body for many months, I can say. You cannot just go to the Vipassana center and sit there. To make your body flexible, it will take time. It may take a month. You go do some stretchings, do some yogasana, do some running, do some exercises which can make your body flexible, so that it can sit for hours, it can observe, and your oxygen level in your blood, oxygen level in your whole body, it can get better. And once your oxygen level is better in your blood, then your blood goes smoothly, then your heart work in a good way, then your mental level is also good, the oxygen is flowing in a very good rhythm. Someone is working in corporate, someone working somewhere, someone is a student, and the level of body is not ready. How it will happen? We can go there for 10 days and very little benefit, just you can say you can calm your thoughts, and you think that is the real purpose of Vipassana? No. Real purpose of Vipassana is samadhi, is satori, not just calming your thoughts for some days. That is not the purpose. So first of all, work on your body for a couple of months. Go to some walks, go to some gymnasium, go to some yogasanas, do something with your body so that body can get habitual, body can be in a good shape. And if your body is good, you can sit in silent, you can sit in harmony, you can be in harmony with your mind as well. Problem is that body is not good, and then you sit for some minutes and your body, it is not ready, it may lean, it may get stiff, it may get other problems. For mental level, you can get some benefits for sure. In the very beginning, you can get those benefits. But for me, if you are just getting some mental benefits like some thoughts process or something like that, that is not the real samadhi. Real samadhi and real benefit is only then when you reach to that point where there are no thoughts, when you are in bliss all the time. So work on your body, that is the first thing. Then we will see how you can work on your mental level and your heart level. So for that, keep on sharing your thoughts, and if you are facing any kind of problem or you have any kind of question, you can always ask. Sending you so much love. Namaste.